Hello everyone. Welcome to PUI Designs. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove the background of an image that has a solid color background. How to remove it in Silhouette Studio. Um, Here is my image, and the background is one solid color. It's just white, and I'm going to remove it today. And check what I'm going to do. To find the we will use the trace panel. To find the trace panel, if you don't know which one it is, instead of going one, two, three, four, one by one, you go here to panels, select panels, you look for trace, and trace is right here. And when you click on it, you see the trace panel will open. And most of the time we use this one right here, but we are not going to use this one. We're going to use this one today. We're going to select by color, trace by color. So I'm going to select the dropper here and go over here to my image, and I will select the yellow, and then you see a single area. No, you see a solid fill. If you wanted to fill the whole place or outline, we choose the solid fill. Single area, one color we're going to do, and the tolerance is you can say the yellow is the tolerance. If you increase it, it will it will go more into the image. It will come more into the image, and the higher the tolerance is, the better, because it will cut out every tiny piece of color of the background that is still hanging on. Okay, the tolerance is now 2. Let me make it small again. We will increase it until the yellow part is going into another color. Right now it's on white. It should stay on white. It should stay on the background. Keep increasing it. Increasing. When it starts to go into the red color. Oh, okay. I think we are good. 45. Okay. And we're gonna trace and detach. Click on this one, and we will wait for it to trace and detach. Okay. And now we're going to select this and remove it. You see that? The good thing, you see, let's go in. Let me show you quickly. You see it went a little bit into the black. That means it cut out all the white of the image. It went a little bit into the black. So this is really good, really, really good. So it went into the red, also the hearts and everything. So this is very good. Let's delete it. Okay. We will select the hearts differently. Let's go into the tiny white spots that are left. Go close into it. You go back to your dropper. You select it. You increase. Look, you see how jacked up the outside is of the yellow. The more you increase the tolerance, the smoother it gets. That means it's going into the black. It's covering all the white. Okay, I think we are good. And then trace and detach. And when you remove it, you will see it will have a little bit of black. That means it went almost all in. And I think I'm satisfied with what I have here. Let me go to another color. I'll go to these two spots really quick. Let's do that. No, we want you. Okay. Okay, there's a spot here. Let's go into it. Go back to our trace panel. Dropper, this one. Select it right here. Increase the tolerance. Okay, when it's 30 something, it does a really good job. Yep. Okay, trace panel, go in here. When it's in the 30s, like you see. Okay, this is in the 40s, it did 50s. Wow. Yeah, did a great job. Go to the next one. Increase it with this. Okay. Okay. Trace and detach. Really good. Smooth and good. Let's go to, okay, let me see if we're done. I thought I had one. Yeah, I had some pieces here too. Let's go to these pieces and we will be done. Okay, I'll select this. Go in here. Increase the tolerance. Okay. Trace and detach. Okay. Mm -hmm. Mm -hmm. Trace and detach. Okay. So, I think there's a tiny piece here. Let's go for it. Really quick. Okay. Trace. We're going to trace it. Okay. And detach it. Okay. Okay. So now we have her. We can put her back in here. Let me see. Maybe we can delete these small pieces. If you want, you can put her back in here. Right in here. Let's remove this handwriting. Yeah, and so you have her. Let me see, there are pieces here need to go. Yep. I think we need to clean this up too. Trace and detach. Okay. And now we have our image with a smooth background. Group her and bring her into our mat. And here she is. And now you can save her as a PNG with a transparent background. I'm working in business edition, so let's save her really quick. Let's name her Penny. Penny. We save her as a PNG. Excuse me. We want a transparent background and we want to save her on a 300 dpi. Okay. And save. And so we have her as a PNG image with a transparent background, ready to be print and cut. Thank you for watching. And if this video helped you, please share with your fellow crafters so that they can also know how to do this. Thank you so much. Bye.